Hi guys, this is just a short video about how the TD5 turbo whistle sounds and what's been changed on this car in particular to make it sound the way it does. So it is a standard exhaust, apart from the fact that here you can see the rear muffler has been cut off by the person who had the car before me. However, when he did that, the exhaust was pointing, instead of pointing down like this, it was pointing straight back, which meant that, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see this bumper here, it's all raised, just started warping with the heat. This started going all black and sooty, so anyway, that got robbed, so I had to get another second-hand one. But yeah, so all I've done is I've $50, I got a guy to put that bend on it just to point it down, but it's the standard setup. In the inside it's got the middle box. Let's see if you can see it. So it has the standard middle box still in there. I have the 2.5 inch straight through exhaust for the whole thing, but the car is really loud with it on, so I've opted to keep the middle box in there just to keep it a bit more pleasant to drive, I suppose, but you still get a bit of a turbo whistle. So what I'm going to do, I'm hoping I don't lose this fucking camera, I'm going to stick it onto the chassis rail there with a magnet and turn it on, drive around the block, and hopefully get some turbo whistle going so you can hear it. Okay, let's see how it goes. Alright, hopefully you can see it there. Oh, it's still there. It's good news. Well, if you liked that video, like it, subscribe. If you want to see any more videos, just leave a comment down below. Thanks guys.